Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at this 2009 to 2013 Ford F-150. We put a 3-inch rough country lift kit on it, some 22 by 10 Moto metal 962 wheels in a gloss black and milled finish, and some 35 1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT tires in a 12 ply. Now real quick, let's talk about this 3-inch lift. It's a great lift. It's essentially a level. However, this lift replaces the top hat of your strut. A typical level lift just has a spacer that you mount onto the top of the strut. This one replaces the whole strut hat. So in order to install this lift, you're gonna need a spring compressor or strut compressor, whether it's the ones that you can buy at like Home Depot or whether it's a big one that you mount onto a concrete wall. Either or, you will need a strut compressor. So going into this, installing this lift, know that you need a spring or strut compressor. If you don't have one, or you don't want to buy one, or you don't want to rent one, find a shop that will install it for you. Otherwise, you're going to find yourself with your truck in pieces on your driveway, not able to put it back together because you cannot press the strut down. Also, whenever you disassemble the strut, make sure you know what you're doing. It is very dangerous. It is under a lot of pressure. Besides that, these Moto metal 962 wheels, they are some of the most popular wheels. Dealers, if you're looking at a truck, what kind of wheels you need to put on your truck or Jeep, Moto metal 962s, they are solid wheels to go with. They are guaranteed to sell at the auction or on the front line. These RT tires, I absolutely love them. They have the tread depth of a mud terrain, the pattern of an all-terrain, yet it still looks great and handles phenomenally. It handles closer to an all-terrain tire than a mud terrain tire. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want to buy any of these parts, whether it's the lift, the tires, the wheels, the rails, a bumper, headlights, tail lights, a backup camera, anything, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let us get your parts shipped out today. Also, if you're looking at this truck and you're saying, Michael, man, I really love that truck. However, I don't want to have to go to a dealer, find a truck, bring it to you, have you lift it, and then have my lifted vehicle. I wish I could just buy it all in one, already done. What's great for you is that we're going to start posting our vehicles that we've built for dealers that they currently have for sale. We're going to start posting them on our website. So go to our website, central-alps.com, go to the inventory page, and it will pull up all the vehicles that we have for sale at other dealers. So the hope is that you can find the one that you like, that you love, that you have to have. You go to the dealer, you call them up, and you go in and you buy it. So again, my name is Michael with Central Alps. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Have a great day.